Tired of seeing others make money online while you're stuck on the sidelines? In the next few minutes, I'll reveal 7 beginner-friendly ways to start earning online today. These aren't surveys for pennies. These are real businesses you can run from your laptop. I've seen people go from zero to thousands a month with these exact methods. This is your blueprint for financial freedom. Which stream will you start today? Let's dive in. First up, freelance writing. Every website, blog, and email needs words, and companies pay well for writers who can sell. No degree needed. If you can write a clear email, you can do this. Pick a topic you love: gaming, cooking, cars, anything. Write 3 to 5 great articles and put them in a free portfolio on clippings.me or Google Drive. Now you have proof you can write. This puts you ahead of most beginners. Head to Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn and search for jobs in your niche. Send personalized proposals with links to your best work. Land your first client, even if it's a small job. That first 5-star review is your ticket to bigger clients. Each job builds your reputation and lets you raise your rates. What starts as a side hustle can quickly replace your full-time job. Don't overthink it. Pick a niche, write samples, and start applying. You could land your first paying client this week. This is one of the fastest ways to go from zero to your first $1,000 online. Start now, and you'll be amazed at how quickly it grows. Freelance writing is a gold mine. Don't miss out. Ready for the next method? Next, print on demand. Sell custom t-shirts, mugs, and more without ever touching inventory. Create a design, upload it to Printify or Printful, and they handle printing and shipping. You only pay after a customer buys, so there's almost zero risk. Pick a niche: nurses, cat moms, fishing fans. The more specific, the better. Use Canva to create simple, catchy designs in minutes. Set up a Shopify or Etsy store. Connect Printify. Upload your designs and set your prices. Promote your products on social media or in niche Facebook groups. One viral design can turn into hundreds of orders overnight. The entire system is automated, you just collect the profits. Your creativity is the only limit. Print on demand is a real business you can start for almost nothing. Don't wait, pick a niche, make a design, and launch your store today. You could be making sales while you sleep. Ready for the next income stream? Let's talk about the most overlooked method. This one is pure profit. Here it is. Here. Method 3. Selling digital products. This is where real passive income happens. Create something once, an ebook, template, guide, or planner, and sell it endlessly. No shipping, no inventory, just pure profit after creation. For example, make a 30-day meal plan in Canva. Sell it on Gumroad or Etsy for $27. Sell 1 a day, that's $800 a month. 10 a day, $8,000. I know someone who made $10,000 in a month selling a Notion template to students. You have knowledge people will pay for: budget spreadsheets, photo presets, workout plans, anything. You don't need to be an expert, just one step ahead of your audience. Brainstorm 10 product ideas based on what you're good at. Pick the easiest, design it in Canva, and upload to Gumroad. Share your sales link everywhere. Social media, forums, your email signature. Digital products are scalable and overlooked. Don't ignore this. Start brainstorming your first product now. This could be your ticket to real online wealth. Ready for method 4? Let's keep going. Here's how to earn by recommending products you love. Method 4, affiliate marketing. Get paid to recommend products you love. Join affiliate programs. Amazon software companies course creators. Earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Commissions can be huge, especially for digital products. For example, promote a $200 software with a 40% commission that's $80 per sale. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram page in a niche you care about. Create helpful content reviews, top 5 lists, how-to guides. Place your affiliate links naturally in your content. The key is help people. Don't just spam links. One guy made thousands a month reviewing coffee gear with affiliate links. Your content library can generate passive income for years. Start by joining Amazon Associates or another program. Create your first piece of content and add your links. Affiliate marketing is a long-term game, but the rewards are real. Pick a niche, start creating, and watch your commissions grow. Next up, a way to earn on YouTube without ever showing your face. Let's go. Method 5. YouTube automation channels. No need to be on camera or use your own voice. Create faceless videos, top 10 lists, history explainers, relaxing sounds, by hiring freelancers for scripts, voiceovers, and editing. You're the producer. Pick viral ideas, manage the team, and upload the videos. Channels like this can earn thousands a month in ad revenue. Pick a high-demand niche: luxury, finance, history, psychology. Systemize your process. Find a scriptwriter, voiceover artist, and editor on Fiverr. Upload consistently with great titles and thumbnails. The YouTube algorithm rewards consistency. Once monetized, your videos can earn for months or years. This is a true passive income asset. You don't need to be famous, just organized. Start your channel, build your team, and let the views roll in. Ready for Method 6? Let's keep going. Method 6. Online tutoring or coaching. If you have a skill, you can teach it online. People pay premium prices for personalized help: languages, music, math, job coaching, and more. You're selling your expertise and time, and you can charge a lot. Platforms like Preply, Wisant, and Cambly connect you with students. No website needed. Create a compelling profile with a friendly photo and clear description. Set a competitive rate. Get your first students and collect positive reviews. Once you have social proof, raise your rates. I know someone who turned Spanish conversation practice into a full-time, travel-friendly career. Identify your skill, sign up, and start tutoring. This is a fast, rewarding way to make money by helping others. Don't underestimate what you know. Someone needs your help. Ready for the final method? Here's how to turn any skill into cash. Method 7. Selling services on Fiverr or Upwork. The fastest way to turn a skill into cash. Offer anything: graphic design, video editing, social media, data entry, voiceovers, and more. You don't need to be the best, just solve someone's problem. Start small and specific. I'll design a YouTube thumbnail in 24 hours. Create a clear gig with examples of your work. If you don't have a portfolio, do a few free projects for friends. Price yourself competitively at first. Your goal is to get orders and reviews. Reviews are the currency here. Once you have a few, raise your prices. I know someone who made $5,000 a month just making PowerPoint slides. Browse Fiverr for inspiration. You'll find something you can offer today. This is a powerful way to build a freelance career or just make extra money. Don't wait. Set up your first gig now. You're closer to your first online income than you think. Let's wrap this up. There you have it. 7 proven income streams you can start right now. You have more information than most people who just dream about making money online. But information is useless without action. Pick one method that excites you and take the first step today. Whether it's writing a sample article, creating a t-shirt design, or setting up a Fiverr profile, start now. Your journey to online income begins with a single step. Don't let this be just another video. Let it be the one that changes your life. Subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one.